Hey guys, yeah, it's me again. I just wanted to put out a video and say how much I appreciate all the support and everything. Um, it's warming my heart. My heart's growing like the Grinch's. Anyways, if you would, I'm asking this of you, if you would, leave some suggestions for me, if things I could do better, um, types of things I could make, any other suggestions that you have. I just need some, I feel like I need some feedback um, of ways I could do better and different things that I could make. I'm trying to branch out, not just do too much of the same stuff. Um, Shoot, I might even try things I've never, made before. Kind of be adventurous. I guess just drop some suggestions in the comment section. And again, thanks for everything. Like, subscribe, follow. Well, I said that already. But share with your friends and family. Appreciate ya. Later.